this is your friend Himal. Today I'm going to show you how to change the package name in Android Studio. Okay, I mean package name of your project or Android application in Android Studio. Okay, at first, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and after that, to hit the bell icon. Okay, just like that. Okay, so that you are connected with me, and you can join me on Twitter, Pinterest, or in Instagram. Okay, let's leave this and come in our business. At first, open your Android Studio and open your project, and you can see here, like this here. This is my project, this app build, and I want to change its package name. So at first, what we have to consider is that we have to choose on this button, setting button, and after that we have to uncheck this, because to change this package name it is compulsory to uncheck it. So let's uncheck it first. Okay, after unchecking that, you can see now it has been divided just like that, and now we can change this package name. So I want to change it from here. Okay, let me click this right here. Let me go for rename it. Okay, sorry, let me go for refactor, and after refactor let me go for rename. Let me go for rename package. You can see here rename package, and after that you can see here I can change it. Okay, I will put just like that. Okay, you can keep whatever you want, so I'm going to keep this. So let me go for refactor. Yeah, let's wait for some seconds. Okay, after that you can see this button here, do refactor. So again you have to click on this button. Okay, it may take a while, just a few seconds I think, so let's wait until that. Okay, now it is successfully changed here, and to check its package name, right here we can find it. Okay, right here, let me open main activity, and I can see here change the package name. So in this way we can change it, we can change our package name. So thank you for watching. I'll make such video if you help by subscribing my channel. So don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the like button. So have a nice day. Jai Nepal.